welcome back. Strawberry milk. You heard me, strawberry milk. And this one is going to be prepared with a twist. So go nowhere. Let's create. So for ingredients, all you're going to need is ripe strawberries. You're going to take this stuff off, right? By the way, the green leaf. Unsweetened almond milk, or you can use regular milk. And in addition to that, if you want to, you can use some sugar. This day on treasure. Could it be like this for the rest of our life? So what I did is I cut some of the strawberry into very tiny pieces, very, very tiny. And the rest, after I peeled the leaf, I'm going to make a puree with them using my blender. So you have your heat at medium and you get your blended strawberries and add them there. I'm not going to put everything there actually. And you let this process go for about maybe 3-4 minutes, if that. What you don't want them to burn. Just want it to get a little bit simmer. So it could be 2 minutes, could be 3 minutes, no more than 4 for sure. Have it in medium. See, just stir it. You don't want to leave it alone. Making that puree. So 3 minutes later, I'm going to take it from the pot and I'm going to transfer it to a container. And I'm going to let it chill, for a few minutes. I don't want it, I don't want it warm, so I'm going to let it cool down completely. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to get your puree. You're going to grab the strawberries that you cut in pieces. You're going to add it to it. See it? And then you're going to get some sugar. You don't have to add sugar, but I will. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons. Then you're going to shake them together. Shake them well together. What I'm doing here, I'm making the cup pretty. That's pretty much what I'm doing. So I just floated it around. I put some of the chunks in too. I'm floating it around, making the cup pretty. See? And then I come and add some very cold milk. Isn't that pretty? More a little bit. I'll always choose only you, my love. I'll put you first. Give me all your trust.